It's giving curl. It's giving curl. Hey y'all, this is your girl Andrea Nicole, and I am back with another video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, if you're new, if it's your first time ever seeing me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, honey. Y'all, I be cutting up. I don't know why I be cutting up sometimes, but I think I just be too goofy sometimes. I be trying to be serious. So that's why I be sounding like this. I be like, yeah, because I be trying to stay together, but I'm not really all the way there, you know. Guys, like I said, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll get a notification every time I upload my videos. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, babe. It's always a pleasure to see you. Yes, honey, you. As you can already read, you read the title. That's the reason why you clicked on this video. I am doing a review / unboxing on this wig from VIVI Baby. Yes, honey, like, you see this? Natural? Yeah? Is it giving natural? It's giving me natural vibes. So I do love this wig. It's a water wave wig, 10 inches bob. I got hair. VIVI Baby, yes, honey. Y'all know how I do. I always leave all the links down to in the description box for y'all because I'm a real one. I want y'all to get the good deals, the good looks, just the goods. So we're gonna go ahead and roll into this video, but before I do that, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. However, I did not purchase this wig with my own money. It's my thoughts. Nobody paid me to share this with y'all, but I just thought I'll go ahead and come on here and do this quick unboxing, you know, trying to deliver some content for y'all because I'm loving this, okay? It's curly wigs for me, but it's a water wave, but it's giving curl. It's giving curl. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, and you want to see how it looks straight out the box, I mean, like, I cut that thing open and everything for y'all. Just go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna roll on in to this video. All right, so this is how it came in the package, in this little white bubble wrap. I don't know if it's FedEx or UPS or whoever delivered it, but it was delivered earlier than expected. Thinking like maybe 4 or 5 days before it was supposed to be delivered. But yeah, so it comes in this box. It's from VIVI Baby. Very cute. I love this color. If y'all do not know, like, this is my color. I'm starting to love purple. So I'm definitely gonna keep this box. And okay, so it comes in this little wrapper. I love this bag. It's like a Ziploc bag. And let's see, before we open the wig, let's see. So it comes with these lashes, and it comes with a card, and it says on the back, "Hey dear, thank you so much for your order. Hope you like the hair. VIVI Baby has one professional after sales service team, 24 hours professional customer service online. Please feel free to contact us if there is anything let you down." And then it has their Instagram, their email, and then their WhatsApp. Very cute. All right, so let's get into the hair. So I can't remember. I know this is supposed to be water wave and it is a bob, but I feel like it's like 10 inches. So the closure just looks like this. It's very small. I thought it was a frontal, but I guess not. This is the parting. Definitely gonna have to pluck that a little bit put some foundation. So it does come with a band, so it can be glueless. It has, let's look at the inside. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and then 1 comb in the back. So it's a total of 4 combs. And let's see how it looks before customization. I'm gonna throw this. It looks kind of small, so I'm actually probably not. I'm gonna put it like on the largest loop, just because it looks kind of small. If y'all have watched my previous videos, y'all know I always use the back comb. I never use the ones in the front. On. Okay. Not bad, not bad. The hair is nice and soft. It's very soft. It looks kind of natural, but I need to cut this lace off so we can see what baby is giving. So now we're gonna get into customization. I'm going to lay the wig down and I'm gonna put a little foundation on the lace. Y'all know how we do around here, so y'all just stay tuned. We about to get in it and we about to give what's given. I love the quality. Like, if y'all can see this, the quality is really nice. Like, I'm rubbing my hands through it, no naps, nothing. Like, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's nice. Like, the quality is really nice. So I know when I wet it and I define the curls, it's gonna look so good. But enough of me rambling. Y'all know I love to ramble, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Look at my little mirror. This ain't gonna do that, and it's dirty. Here we go. All right, so when y'all see me looking down, y'all already know what I'm looking at. I'm looking at my mirror, but I try to adjust my camera so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing, because I don't want y'all to miss any of this. But of course, it's gonna be sped up and some music is gonna be in the background. So yeah, just stay tuned.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you ride at the top, babe. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ride at the top, bitch. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a messing with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. Keep my hoes the valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. In the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top, babe. Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some.
So now I'm about to go do my makeup and I'll be back so y'all can see the final look. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. That's why it shouldn't take long for it to like dry, but it'll get bigger, of course. I hope so, like just a little bit bigger, because I don't like it too flat like this. Unless it was long, then I would, but with it being so short, I like it more out. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. And yeah, And this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was fun to do, and I must say it looks bomb. I think it looks good like behind the ear too. If I could just like get these baby hairs, my real baby hairs, like looking good, I think it will look good. It'll look good behind the ear because I'm a behind the ear type of girl, but it looks good this way too. I like my little baby hairs. I think I did pretty good on them. The only thing is like this little knot thing, and that's just from the closure. So I would suggest you cut that off first if you could before you like try to lay it down. That way you don't have this little thing like I have, but the hair does cover it up, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. And I love this look. I think it would look better with like some Eco Style gel, just because I do love the more wet look. So I think like if I put some Eco Styling gel in it, it will look a lot better and it will last too. So I might do that. I might run upstairs and go do that real quick before I head out. But I must say I do love the look. I love the little bob. It's so cute, and it was very easy to do this. As you can see, I did not bleach any knots or anything. I just put the wig on, laid it down, did some baby hairs, and filled in my part. So yes, y'all make sure y'all check out this wig. I will have all the specs, everything, the link to this wig down in the description box per usual. Y'all know how I do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe. Bye.